So second one is, if two equal chords of a circle intersect within the circle, prove that the segments of one chord are equal to the corresponding segments of the other chord. So here we are taking O as a center of the circle, and AB and CD are two equal chords which are intersecting within the circle. That means the point of intersection lies inside the circle. So E is the point of intersection of these two chords AB and CD, and O is the center. Now we have to prove that segments of this chord, they are equal to each other. So which means AE and DE are equal, CE and EB are equal. Now construction will be to join the center with the two chords. So OM you will draw and ON you will draw perpendicular to AB and CD, and also you will join OE. So these are the constructions to be done. Now we know that perpendicular from center to the chord bisects the chord also. So therefore OM will also bisect AB, and ON similarly, ON will be bisecting CD. So we can say that AM and MB are equal and CN and ND are equal. These two things we get from this. Now if you consider these two triangles OME and ONE, these two, then you can prove by RHS congruency that they are congruent because they both have a right angle each. Angle M and angle N, they are right angles. Hypotenuse is the common side. OM and ON are equal because we know that equal chords are equidistant from the center. So since AB and CD are equal chords, their distance from the center, OM and ON, also must be equal. So by that we can say that these two triangles are congruent to each other. So since the triangles are congruent, we can say that ME and NE, these two sides are equal by CPCT. Already we know that AM and ND are equal because M is the bisector of AB, N is the bisector of CD. So half of AB and half of CD also must be equal, as AB and CD are equal. So therefore AM and ND are equal. Now we have proved ME and NE are equal. So if you add these two equal things to other equal things, their sum will also be equal. So AM plus ME is equal to ND plus EN. So therefore we get AE and ED are equal. That is the first part of the question. For proving second part, already we know AB and CD are equal. So if you subtract something that is equal from equal things, you will get the result also to be equal. So MB minus ME is equal to CN minus EN. So the other two segments are also equal, that is EB and CE are equal. So third question is, if two equal chords of a circle intersect within the circle, prove that the line joining the point of intersection to the center makes equal angles with the chord. So here the figure will be almost similar to the previous one. Two chords are intersecting within the circle. Two equal chords, that means AB and CD, they are equal also and they are intersecting at this point E. The line joining E to the center of the circle, that is OE, okay, it will make equal angles with the chord, which means you have to prove that this angle BEQ and this angle CEQ, they are equal. So for that you will be first doing a construction. Draw perpendicular from O to AB, that is OM perpendicular to AB, and ON perpendicular to DC. OEM and OEN you will consider. Okay, this triangle OEM and OEN, these two triangles. Now here one of the angles is 90 degree each because we have constructed a perpendicular. OE is the common side, that is hypotenuse is the common side, and OM and ON are equal because equal chords are equidistant from the center. So by RHS we can prove these two triangles are congruent to each other. So therefore by CPCT we will get this angle also equal, that is MEO and NEO equal. Now this is the same angle which has been produced here. So by that we will get BEQ and CEQ also are equal. Now question number 4. If a line intersects two concentric circles means circles with the same center. So there are two concentric circles and there's a line which intersects these concentric circles at these points A, B, C and D. Then you have to prove that AB is equal to CD. This is what you have to prove. So we will construct OM perpendicular to AD. Now this OM is also perpendicular to BC because it's the same line. So it's perpendicular to both. So perpendicular from center to the chord bisects the chord. Therefore we can say that BM and MC are equal. Also AM and MD are equal. Because for the outer circle AD is the chord. So therefore AD will be bisected at the point M. So AM and MD are equal. For the smaller circle, inner circle, BC is the chord. So BC will be bisected at the point M. So BM and MC are equal. So these are the two equations that you get. AM equal to MD and BM equal to MC. Now if you subtract one from the other, you will get AM minus BM is equal to MD minus MC. So AM minus BM is AB and MD minus MC is CD. So this is what you have to prove.